Welcome back to the next subtopic. Now we shall look at the variance analysis. Variance analysis is related to standard cost. When standard costs are used, budgetary control variance analysis is based on comparison between actual results and a flex budget that uses standard cost. What are the advantages of using this? One, cost information consists of quantity of resources and price per unit of resources. With this information, the analysis of the cost variance can be more detailed and can provide more control information to the management. So let's take a look at the two types of the variance analysis. The first one is revenue. It is the difference between the flexible budget revenue and actual revenue. So you may have a target revenue at the beginning, and then the actual one will be a figure. So if you see the difference between the two, we call that as revenue variance. The sales price variance is computed by using the following simple equations. We'll take the actual number of units sold and then multiply by actual price, and then we minus the actual number of units sold and multiply by standard price, or simply the difference between the actual price and the standard price multiplied by actual number of units sold. The second part is cost. So total variance for the cost is calculated by taking the price variance plus the quantity variance. The price variance is derived by taking standard price minus the actual price and then multiply by the actual quantity. And quantity variance, on the other hand, involves standard quantity minus the actual quantity and multiply by the standard price. So if you have the actual cost and then you have the standard cost, you compare between them, there is a difference, then we say that there is total variance in terms of the cost variance. So actual use would be at the standard price. So standard variance analysis model, we will have the price variance, we will have the quantity variance. They are different in terms of the denominators. Price variance will involve the dollar sign and quantity variance will involve the unit of analysis. It's either number of pieces, it's either kilograms or whatever. So price variance, we have the difference between actual price and standard price. And then we will have the material price variance, labor rate variance, and variable overhead rate variance. So all involving the prices. In terms of the quantity variance, the difference would be involving the difference between actual quantity and standard quantity. And then we will have the measures like materials quantity variance, labor efficiency variance, and also variable overhead efficiency variance. So this is a more detailed model in which you will see the spending variance and then involving the price variance and quantity variance that will lead to total spending variance. So you'll just need to see what will be the actual cost and what will be the flexible budget. So actual cost will involve the quantity multiplied by price with regard to the actual happenings. On the other hand, flexible budget, quantity multiplied by price, but you need to take a look at the standard alone. Once you derive that, and then you will have the actual quantity multiplied by the standard price, and that will lead you to total spending variance. So the details are given.